Today we will be viewing these terrace duplexes located in the heart of Ikate, Lekki, Lagos. Here we have 30 units of 4-bedroom terraces. This mini estate is coming with a children play area. This is the play area for the kids, so the kids are actually taken into consideration. And up there is a fitness center. It also comes with a swimming pool. Right over there is the swimming pool. Okay, so from this video you can actually see that this developer did not at all take chances. He didn't play with spaces. There's adequate parking spaces, and also children are taken into consideration, like you have seen, the play area, the gym area, and also the swimming pool. We're going to take a tour of one of the units so you see what exactly your personal space is going to look like when you design it. A couple of the units here are sold out. You can see we already have sold signs here. You can see some of them are already sold and people are already living here. Okay, so this should be your next investment address. Come on in, let's go take a tour of the showroom. Welcome home to your next investment address. This is your dining area, and then we're going to welcome you into the kitchen. This is the kitchen area. The kitchen is going to come fully fitted. There's going to be a gas cooker. It's also going to come with a washing machine. It's also going to come with a heat extractor and also a microwave and an oven. There's also a storage space here. This is the pantry. The pantry is actually quite big. Okay, so it's got this is the kitchen island with tons of storage spaces here, and also the kitchen has a lot of storage spaces. Okay, it also comes with a BQ. The BQ is at the back of the house, and this house is in the market for 250 million naira. Welcome to the first floor of the 4-bedroom terrace duplex. So right here we have the lounge. That's the family lounge, and on this floor we have 2 bedrooms. Remember, on the ground floor there's also the kitchen and the living room. So this is the first bedroom on this floor, and upstairs also we have like 2 bedrooms. Okay, so come. Welcome back, smart investors. Once again, what we're offering you here are terrace duplexes, 4-bedroom terrace duplexes, and there are a total of 30 units all together. Okay, and well built to taste. Each unit comes with a fully fitted kitchen, a boys quarter, and also each of the bedrooms comes with a sit out. That's a terrace sit out. Okay, and also all ensuite. Okay, so all these units here are entitled to this children play area, so it means the children are actually taken into consideration. There is a swimming pool, and there is also a fully fitted gym house. You do not need to travel to go look for gym for you to be able to keep fit, and the children do not have to stay indoors all through. So there's a playground for them, and there's also a swimming pool that is accommodating the whole mini estate. Okay, so if this looks like what you want to key into, it's going for 250 million naira for a unit. Okay, that's the outright purchase. So if this actually fits or ticks your boxes, call me right away. Let me help you book down a unit or more. This location is actually prime for good rental. It's also good for short-let businesses, and it's very central. And this place is the part of Ikate that is very homely, the very residential part. Okay, so do not forget to give us a call right away. My name is Joy of Kaveta Realty, the one that brings you the very best of our premium properties in the whole of Lagos State. Okay, do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up on this video, like and share. And if you also have friends or family members who would want to see this video to help them to make the very best of investment decision, do not hesitate to send them this video or share with them right now. And also you subscribe and also like this video so that when we share relevant stuffs like this, you will be the very first to receive it. Okay, thanks for watching everyone, and see you on the next one. And call us right away. Let's help you lock down one of these to add into your investment portfolio. Thanks for watching everyone.